Okay, this is where the house is going to be. This is the builder. And he did all this in about 2.5 weeks. I don't know when he works, but he's still working as a regular job too. I think he's crazy. I'm glad he's my friend.
Been crazy.
So we're going to walk back to the road. So you're just going to have kind of a bouncy picture. It's just too bad if you don't like it. Because I'm stumbling over holes and trees and swatting mosquitoes and
fighting off locusts.
Fighting off locusts. Pestilence. Yes. We're just documenting this for posterity because it'll be about 6 months to be all done. You're getting all this stuff done you got to do while you still can do it before the weather changes.
Yeah, because then it's a lot different.
Pete been out here yet?
What's that?
Pete been out here?
No. There's still 3 more lots available.
You got the tractor.
Sure do. Yeah. Yeah, sure do.
And the chains were necessary?
Oh yeah, they make a world of difference.
Where'd you find those chains down the road here for like 30 bucks or something?
Yeah, it was 28 bucks or 34 or something like that.
Wow.
And I bought the chains actually before I got the tractor. And the chains actually fit. It's hard to believe.
Isn't it? Well, you had an idea what you were doing though.
I had an idea, but I didn't think it would be that close.
What's on the agenda the rest of the day here?
Just keep busting up trees. I got to bring up 2 or 3 more loads of sand from that hole where the house is going to be.
Okay.
To fill in. Because I got class 5 coming tomorrow.
Okay.
2 truckloads, 30 tons.
Well, let's do this. We get back here. You hop in that tractor, fire it up, get going. I'll take off.
Okay.
I'll film all that.
Okay.
I had no idea it was this far back. What would this cost you to have this done? 200 grand?
We'll probably be spending about 3,000 to 4,000 just on class 5.
But I mean to have this landscaping done that you've done so far. That would cost.
Just the tree removal was 5 grand to get the trees out of the way.
To have someone come do it.
Have someone else do it, yeah. Because it's just so much labor.
Are you for hire?
No. It's too much work. All right.
All right.
You start this thing, huh?
Yeah, you get back to work here.
All right.
And there he goes off into the trees and brush. We'll come revisit this here in a few days, see what he's got done. End of story.